How did it feel when you got your first $0 bill?
I have to admit I did that. I bought this house.
Yep.
And I was renting previously. So my ambition was always, once I purchased my home, I would consider it, because every month my electricity bills were just climbing and climbing and climbing, and I wasn't changing the way I was living. I have new appliances throughout my house. I just couldn't justify why the power was going up, and I was reluctant being comfortable in my own home. So I decided to do the research.
Yeah. Did you speak to other companies before choosing us?
Yes, I spoke to 7.
Wow.
I spoke to 7 companies. I felt like I was being pushed, severely pushed by a couple. Green energy technology just made me feel so relaxed and so comfortable. I have not stopped recommending them to my family and friends and colleagues.
And why did you choose Green Energy Technologies?
Mainly because I rang them. They were so professional. They were so responsive. I couldn't believe that I had someone out here within 72 hours. I was confused. The salesperson that sat here with me, no question was silly, and no question was shunned upon as if I was silly for not knowing about solar, because I had no idea. The biggest thing for me is it wasn't all about price whatsoever. It was about service, support, and being a local company. From the moment that I said I wanted to go to Green Energy, the admin staff, every step of the way, they told you what to expect. They told me the install date, the install time, what was going to happen from here on. So I wasn't kept in the dark about anything. I didn't have to chase anything up. Life's too busy to chase anything up. And when you're paying for a service, and you should get a good service in return. I can't fault them.
So what was the experience like when it came to the install process?
Oh, the boys are wonderful. They walked through everything. They told me what to expect on the day. They were here when they said they were going to be here. They cleaned up everything on site. There was not a wrapper, nothing was left on site. They're just, honestly, you should be proud of them.
Oh, wonderful.
Last month, I'd only had solar for 2.5 weeks, and I was $63 in credit.
Wow.
And we had all that rain.
So if someone's on the fence about going solar, what would you say to them?
I push them off the fence and tell them to go to Green Energy Technologies. If you want a $0 electricity bill, give Green Energy Technologies a call today.